We have only 10 minutes left. Let's conclude it. Okay, so what I was telling you that simple family basically tells you about four major things, which is a word fact, or the next one is a personal fact, the third one is a habit or routine, and the fourth one is a mental activity or senses related to the senses, smells, like this. Okay, mental actions or senses. Okay, now let's move forward. Let's come to the present simple family. Okay, in present simple family, there are two groups of pronoun. The first group contain I, you, we, and they in it. The second group, Ali, Raza, Zaidi, what are you doing? What are you doing? Open your camera. Okay, and the second group of pronouns, the participants are he, she, and it. All right. With the second group of pronoun, we use all the words that end with the s in the end, like is, does, or has, or verb plus s or es. All these words which ends with the s come goes with the second group of pronoun. All right, and all the members of first group of pronoun goes with only I goes with m. I only goes with M. We cannot use any other word with I. Like I, we cannot say this like, we cannot say like this. I are or I is. We only say I am, right? कभी आपने किसी को ऐसे बोलते हुए सुना है कि I are a Sabrina? We always say I am Sabrina, I am Noor Hadi, I am Kinza Misbah, like this, right? So the word am only goes with I. ठीक है, जो M वाला word है, it only goes with I. Okay, the rest of the word goes with the rest of the words are have, do, और verb without s और es. Verb में s और es add नहीं होता. ये सारे वर्ड्स आपके सेकंड ग्रुप ऑफ प्रोनाउन के साथ यूज होते हैं. आई हैव अ बुक, यू हैव अ बुक, वी हैव अ बुक, दे हैव अ बुक. ठीक है, सेम गोज विद डू. आई डू माई होमवर्क, you do your homework, we do our homework, they do their homework. The next one is verb without s or es. I play a lot, you play a lot, we play a lot, they play a lot. Okay, all right. We have already done exercises related to present simple tenses. Remember? Now, from tomorrow, we are going to start past simple. Present simple is done here. Anybody of you want to ask anything related to present simple, you can ask me, especially Daniel and Inaya, because you guys have to give a quick review about today's class and tomorrow's class. So if you guys want to ask anything, you can ask me now. Mariam Fatma, why I cannot see you? We have only 5 minutes left. This is your question and answer session. You can ask me anything which you want to ask. Mariam, do you want to ask anything? Inaya, yes.
मिस मेरे घर पे लाइट गई हुई है इसीलिए मैं डिस्कनेक्टेड हो गई थी और मुझे आपने जो पढ़ाया है मुझे समझ नहीं मुझे
Okay, Inaya,
मैंने
it's okay, Inaya. No need to worry about it. वैसे भी this video is recorded. ये आपके YouTube channel पे रात तक आ जाएगी, तो you can see it from there. और मैं सॉफ्टवेयर में भी अपडेट कर दूंगी. You can review the lecture from there too. ठीक है? Or you can see the previous lecture of tenses as well, so that you will give a very good quick review about it in tomorrow's class. ठीक है?
ओके
You and Daniel are supposed to give me the quick review in tomorrow's class.
ओके
Anybody want to ask anything? from tomorrow onwards we will start our past simple tense. Okay? And on Thursday, I am going to conduct a quiz related to the present simple tense. Okay? On Thursday, I am going to conduct your quiz related to the present simple tense. Yes, Jafar?
Yeah, everyone give two review.
No, now you will join Sikra's class. My class will be end in like last 5 minutes. My class will be end in 5 minutes.
I can give review.
Give review.
Yes.
You will give me a review day after tomorrow. What we will discuss in tomorrow's class now, you will give me a review of that class in day after tomorrow's class. Okay? Everybody will get the chance. Don't worry. Everybody will get the chance. Okay, everyone. That's it for today. Mariam, why I cannot see your face? Mariam Fatma. Okay, everyone. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new topic. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Allah Hafiz.